Good afternoon. I'm Jim Adams with ProtectionPro, and today I am extremely excited to announce the global launch of our new NEXERA ONE machine. This is new innovation, the best innovation we've seen in many, many years for cut-on-demand screen protection. How does it work? You simply choose the phone model in our software app on the tablet. We have over 52,000 designs. Choose the phone. Insert the film into the cutting machine. It cuts, it comes back out. You put the phone in the cradle. You put the film on top of the phone. You close the cover. You press start, and that's all there's to it. A perfect install every time. No misalignment, no miscuts, a perfect install every time.
So, as first step, we remove the corner, like that, the sides, 1 and 2. And then we can charge the film. We already selected the design we want to cut, so we just select this and press cut. So the film has been cut with its 4 holes, and the machine already displays the installation procedure. We are gonna lock the device right now, pressing lock on the screen. And you can see the clamps that are locking the phone, both horizontal and vertical way. Now we're gonna remove the basement of the film and expose the side with glue. Now this is the sticky part, and we need to place over the phone in this way. There are 4 holes, and we just press it. And then we close the lid. Now we have the default time of 2 minutes, and we just need to press start. And the machine starts the vacuuming process. Now the machine starts to lose pressure on vacuuming, and then after 2 minutes, the installation is almost complete. We can open the lid and we see the phone in this way. We're gonna press unlock to release the device. Now we are gonna remove the excess of film in this way with the help of a squeegee. And that's it. The installation is complete.